Hello, Nigel B here. I'm the IT librarian here at the Analog Academy, and I'd like to give you a brief overview of your course player. On the left-hand side are all the lessons in your course, and you can open and close the chapters and click on the lessons to view them. You can jump around as easily as pop, 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 ding, 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 press, 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 play. This is a video lesson, and it will either play automatically or you will see the familiar triangular play symbol and you just go ahead and press and pop, 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 boom, 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 bing, bing, bing. Off you go and you get the video and you're learning and you're having fun. At the top left, you will see your progress indicator. If you'd like to check your status of your progress, just look right here. And be sure to take advantage of the discussions area where you can ask questions or engage with other students or the professor. Leave a post. That's it. Enjoy! Nigel B. from the Analog Academy.